Hi, it's Miss Tara. Right now we are going to play a game with my animal sounds button. We're going to push the button, hear the sound, we hear it with our ears, and then I'm going to look with my eyes and I'm going to find the card that goes with it. And I'll hold it up and we will say what animal we heard, okay? So here we go with our first one. 1, 2, 3, push. What is that? Did you hear that sound? It's a horse. Horse. Whoa, there's too much light on that one. There we go. Whoa. That's all we'd say to a horse too, right? Whoa. Horse. All right, we're going to do more. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I think that is a goat. So we do goat. Chin and like this. Ooh, goat. 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 Okay, good job. Can we make a goat sound like good job. Okay, we're gonna do more. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was the goat. There's the goat. It's a little bit different than the sheep. I guess the other one was the sheep. Maybe it'll come around again and we'll get our sheep. Sometimes it's hard to remember which is which. All right, are you ready? We're gonna do more. 1, 2, 3. Who knows what this one is? Oh, you're right. It's a cat. Can I get that in there so it's not so glary? There we go. Cat. And the sign for cat is this cat with the whiskers. And the cat says meow, meow, meow. Cat. All right, ready? I'm going to do some more. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, push. There's our goat. All right, let's do another one. Maybe we'll get a different sound. More. 1, 2, 3. Do you hear it? What is it? I see these outside right now. I see a lot of them. It's a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Duck. Yeah, duck. Okay, let's do more. You ready? 1, 2, 3. What could that be? I think it's a pink pig. Oink, oink, oink. Oh, there we go. Pig. And the sign for pig, we're going to do this. Just wiggle your hand under your chin. It's the same sign for dirty. Pig. Okay, we've got a couple animals left that we haven't heard. Maybe we'll hear them. We're going to do more. You ready? 1, 2, 3. We've heard this one. What was it? Was our cat. Meow, meow. So hard to get it without the big glare. There we go. That wasn't too bad. Cat. Okay, let's see if we can get some more. More. 1, 2, 3. That was the sheep. Sheep. The sheep says ba ba. Over here. Oh, that's better. Ba ba. Now the sign for sheep's a little tricky. You gotta have your arm up. You have your hand like scissors, like you're trimming the wool off the sheep. But you can just run your hand up your arm. Okay. Sheep. Okay. I think there's 2 animals that we haven't heard yet. We'll see if we can get them. More, more, more. 1, 2, 3. Maybe you have one of these at your house. It's a dog. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Dog. Now the sign for dog, I'm going to have to stand up to show you. Because you got to pat your leg. So, your leg, you just go, dog. Dog. You can also snap your fingers, but that's a little tricky until you're older. Okay, I think we have one more. Let's see if we can get it. Are you ready for more, more, more? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. What is that? It's a chicken. This chicken is very, very colorful. Sometimes they're not always so colorful. Okay, well, I think, man, I don't know if we heard the cow. I can't remember. Let's see if we can do more, more, more. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's a pig. I'm going to try again. Oh, chicken. There we go. It's a cow. Moo. Moo, moo, moo. Cow. Good job. I think we found all of the animals. We listened with our ears. We looked with our eyes. And we used our hands. Oh, I didn't show you the sign for cow. Cow. Put your hands like this. Up on your head. Like this. Moo. For the cow. Good job. All right. Well, that is all for this activity. We can say all done. Shake your hands like this when you're all done. You say bye-bye. I'll see you next